Life isn't a popularity contest. It's not an act, and it's certainly not fair. It's not a fad, it's not a fashion statement, and it's not about pretending to have all the answers or claiming to be real. Life is blood and guts and sweat. It's hard work, true heart, pure grit. And it's time someone set the record straight. Introducing Center Drive from Gerber. With a first-of-its-kind full-size driver on the center axis that uses standard bits. A full-size outboard knife that's 30% longer than the competition with reverse thumb support. Plus, spring-loaded pliers. And they're all accessible with a flick of your thumb. The multi-tool just got a reality check.
Resqme Inc. presents the Resqme, a 2-in-1 emergency tool which breaks windows and cuts seat belts quickly and easily in case of an emergency. This quick, powerful, and easy-to-use tool will keep you and your loved ones safe on the road. It's easy to use, taking only seconds to cut a seatbelt or break a window. It's a quick solution to get you or someone else out of a vehicle in an emergency. This essential tool will be part of your everyday life, as it can be attached to your keychain and be with you at all times. The 2-in-1 Resqme tool cuts seatbelts and breaks windows. A Resqme product.
Ordinary screwdrivers all have the same problem. You have to hold the screw. Not anymore. The WORX SD driver with automatic screw holder holds the screws for you. Drive screws with one hand, even above your head or in hard-to-reach places. Keep up to 6 bits on board and switch between them with the slide action. It's all powered by a lithium-ion battery that stays charged for up to 18 months. Need an extra hand? You've got it. The WORX SD driver with automatic screw holder. Get yours today.
Dremel's 200 Series 2-speed rotary toolkit delivers the precision and control needed to tackle a wide range of projects. The 1.15 amp motor features 2 speeds, so you can easily adjust to optimal performance and control. Use the low setting with brush accessories and for cleaning applications. Then just flip the switch to high for routing, cutting, and sanding jobs. This 17-piece set includes a lawnmower and garden tool sharpener attachment and a variety of additional accessories for cutting, carving, grinding, polishing, and more across a wide range of materials. You'll experience less fatigue on longer projects thanks to the lightweight design with multiple grip positions and double hull construction that eliminates direct heat transfer. Plus, its cool-running ball-bearing construction offers smooth, quiet operation. For the power and versatility to comfortably handle countless tasks, choose the Dremel 200 Series 17-piece rotary toolkit.
Presenting the Gecko gauge from PacTool International, the siding installation tool that speeds siding application by nearly 50%. Working as a pair, the Gecko gauge clamps to each siding course, acting as a second set of hands to gauge and support the next course for nailing, keeping your siding level and properly spaced as you work your way up the wall. This dramatically speeds installation time and practically eliminates the need for layout. With models for fiber cement and LP siding, the Gecko gauge easily adjusts in 1/4-inch increments for 4 to 8-inch siding reveals. Say goodbye to chalk lines, breakaway clips, or homemade story poles. You'll get fast, accurate installation with less time, fatigue, and frustration. Take your siding installation to the next level with the Gecko gauge from PacTool. To see our complete line of incredible time-saving tools, visit pactool.us.
Introducing the first combination laser and tape measure new from General Tools.
Cool tool.
With the push of a button, the laser precisely measures up to 50 feet with one hand, and the tape handles all your smaller measurements. Go to thelasertape.com for the laser tape measure from General Tools. A $60 value for only $39.99. It's the perfect Father's Day gift.
Cool tool.
So you can measure everything faster.
There's a powerful new tool that combines 48 tools into one. Introducing the Tiger Wrench. By simply clicking between the different sizes, you instantly have the tool you need for the job. Think about all the time you've wasted in the past fishing around for the right size tool. With just a few clicks of the Tiger Wrench, you'll have the right tool for the job every time. The Tiger Wrench is fast. Look how quickly the Tiger Wrench can go from one size to the next. As fast as you can click the tool, you've got a new size. And because of the unique revolutionary tooth design, you can do both standard and metric sizes. Simply flip the tool around and you have more sizes. Ordinary wrenches slip on rounded corners. Not the Tiger Wrench. Its specially designed teeth won't slip like ordinary wrenches. Ordinary wrenches can't do 45-degree angles. With the Tiger Wrench, you can easily do 45-degree angles, no problem. With this one tool, you can tackle all your projects around the house or on the job. The Tiger Wrench is well built and extremely durable. It's a heavy-duty professional tool that's designed to handle up to 300 pounds of torque.
Substitute the noise of the job site or workshop with your favorite music with this Tech Protection WorkTunes AM/FM radio and hearing protector from 3M. The hands-free voice assist helps you listen to your favorite radio stations without having to remove WorkTunes from your ears. It also gives you station information, guides to your favorite radio stations, alerts you when your battery runs low, and helps you program up to 50 stations. The earmuff hearing protector provides a noise reduction rating of 24 decibels with an adjustable stainless steel padded headband and soft, comfortable gel ear cushions. The digital tuner gives you excellent sound quality and reception with simple button controls for easy operation and bass boost for excellent sound. It also includes recessed MP3 and two-way radio jack. Easy-to-use auto-scanning quickly finds and saves radio stations. Redesigned battery cover minimizes breakage, and the automatic shutoff helps save battery life. Plus, you can use it in any country. Tune into your favorite music with this Tech Protection WorkTunes AM/FM radio and hearing protector from 3M.
With the Rack Magnetic Wristband, there's no need to search your pockets anymore. This innovative tool holds nails, bolts, and screws right where you need them. Never lose small parts again with 10 strong magnets strategically placed throughout the wristband. When working alone, this awesome tool is a great time saver, giving you a third helping hand for every project you throw at it. But it's not only for your wrist. Strap it on your waist and use it as a super compact tool belt. Our magnetic wristband is built to last with adjustable fit for every wrist and features a soft, breathable inner layer so you can work all day. This is the perfect gift for the handyman or do-it-yourselfer for any occasion. You won't know you needed one until you have one. Satisfaction guaranteed with a full 1-year return policy when purchased from Ad Hoc LLC. No questions asked. So what are you waiting for? Buy yours today.
The Slice 10400 box cutter has a 3-position manual slider button that allows settings for double-walled, single-walled, or fully retracted. It features a unique J-hook design that protects your hand while you're using it. It could also be hooked on a nail, placed on a lanyard, or hooked outside your pocket, so the blade is outside your pocket, not inside your pocket. This box cutter features the Slice 10404 ceramic replacement blade, which is used in the majority of our products. All the Slice ceramic blades last up to 10 times longer than steel. They never rust, they're non-magnetic, non-sparking, and non-conductive. And unlike traditional metal blades, they have no oil coating. They're infinitely safer to hold and use versus metal, and they have a rounded tip for added safety. The blade depth of this product was designed specifically for double-walled and single-walled corrugated. You don't need a 2-inch blade when you're cutting less than a ½ inch of corrugated. Less blade means less injuries. When the front and the back of the box cutter are placed parallel to what you're cutting, it acts as an extension of your hand, self-guiding and providing a full depth of cut. The Slice box cutter features a convenient blade storage in the rear handle. Slice ceramic replacement blades are finger-friendly. They require pressure to obtain the cut. Therefore, blade change is no longer a risky activity. Changing the blade on the slice box cutter requires no tools. Simply remove the top cover, extend the slider button, and flip the blade to the other side. By using sliced ceramic blades instead of traditional metal blades, you'll have fewer blade changes, less downtime, lower costs, and most importantly, a safer working environment. The Slice 10400 box cutter, it's a safer, more effective way to open corrugated cardboard. Shoot us an email and let us know how you're using it.